Bro, Nas, what you doing here, bro?
Man, I mean, I work there, man.
You work here?
Yeah, I work there.
But if you work here, you know about this. Wait 1 second. You know about this right here, right?
I haven't seen that one yet.
Okay, well check it out. Check it out.
What is this?
I mean, I don't know why they didn't give it to you if you work here.
Yeah, I'm new here, man.
Obviously.
Whoa, this is.
Yeah, it's dope, right?
Okay. Oh, snap. You got these?
What you think? Like, you ain't even you pay no attention.
Man,
no,
I guess not. I don't know, man. I need.
And they hired you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let me get these back in. Let me see.
Get it.
Let me put these right back here.
But I'm just trying to just show you. What it
Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure this is all set. You know. And,
It's sad. I mean,
You know.
but you're just supposed to take a look at it for a second.
Hold on 1 second. Let me go ask somebody about it.
What? If you work here, this should be part of your hiring package.